If you have just used Distril to recover some files on your hard drive, to then only discover that your hard drive is now locked and you can no longer create new files or do anything on your hard drive like delete files and stuff, then don't panic just yet, because there's a good reason behind this. So just for example, if I open up File Explorer and go onto my G drive, if I right click now, I cannot do anything on this hard drive. And that's because I just recovered some files on it. So I have been asked, how do you fix this issue? And it's actually quite simple. All you need to do is just open up Distril, and once you have Distril open, you then need to go to the drive that you just recovered some files on. So for example, I just recovered some files on my G drive just so I could do this video to help you out. So as you can see next to my G drive here, it actually says R/O. And this means that the drive has been changed to read only. So you now need to select the drive that's been locked and then click on the three dots within Distril. And you will then see an option for Make Writable. Go ahead and select this option, and you will now see the R/O has been removed. So once the R/O has been removed, go back to File Explorer and open up your hard drive, and you will now be able to right click again and create new files and do everything within the hard drive like you used to be able to. So that now brings me to the end of this video. I hope this little video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below, and if you'd like to see more computer sluggish videos, click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.